Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to do a Tarator sauce, a tahini-based sauce. This is a healthy, low-carb sauce that goes well with falafels, meats, and vegetables. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients. We're going to start off by grabbing a mortar and pestle and smashing the garlic, so go ahead and grab the garlic and throw it on in. If you don't have that, go ahead and use a cutting board. Smash the garlic with a knife. Use the flat part of the blade to go ahead and smash the salt and the garlic together. It's really important not to cut the garlic. You want to go ahead and smash it to release the wonderful flavors and tone down that garlic taste. Now look at that garlic paste looks absolutely fabulous. Make sure that we get all of the flavor from the garlic and the salt. Grab a little bit of lemon juice, put it into the mortar. Grab a spoon, stir it up. We want to get every single little bit of flavor out of this mortar. Okay, now the hard part's over. Grab that handy dandy food processor. Get a little bit of tahini. Make sure that you pour it on in. Get every little drop. This stuff is delicious. Now time to throw in our smashed garlic and wonderful lemon and salt mixture. Now grab the rest of the lemon juice and pour it on in. Now it's time to grab the top of the food processor, crank that bad boy up, mix this stuff up, and get it going. The sauce is going to be really thick at first, that's why I'm going to use a little bit of water to thin it out. Put in a couple tablespoons at first, see if you like that consistency. If you don't, put in a little bit more. I like mine a little bit thinner, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. So total amount of water I've put in is 59 mils, or about 1/4 cup. Give that bad boy a little bit more of a blending. And how about that, y'all? Look at it. It's rich, soft, creamy, super delightful. And there you go, a Tarator sauce, a tahini-based sauce. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think by commenting below. Please do subscribe to help support the channel, and you know what? I'll see you next time.